Every word choice in writing presents an opportunity to captivate, influence, and resonate with readers. This goes beyond merely delivering a message. It's about shaping how readers feel, think, and experience the narrative you're communicating. From compelling storytelling to persuasive writing, the right words possess the extraordinary power to draw readers into the narrative, connecting with them on a deep emotional level. In this video, we'll explore not just which words to use, but also delve into why they work so effectively and how they can adapt across various genres and styles. 1. Sensory words. Bringing scenes to life. Sensory words offer a direct pathway into a reader's experience, transforming mundane scenes into vivid, immersive moments. They don't just describe, they invite readers to feel and engage with the narrative. Words like crisp, sizzle, murmur, and gritty evoke the senses of touch, taste, smell, sound, and sight, making settings and actions more than just lines on a page. In action. In horror writing, sensory words are crucial for heightening suspense. Instead of merely describing a dark room as scary, try painting a more detailed picture with the sensations. Describe the chill of the damp air that seeps into the skin, the eerie creaking of the floorboards beneath one's feet, or how the shadows seem to press in heavily around the corners of the room. Whispering secrets of the past. Tip. Combine sensory words for unexpected effects. Describing a sharp silence or a warm shadow can create intriguing contrasts that enhance the reader's experience, offering them a unique glimpse into the emotional undertones of a scene. 2. Emotionally charged words. Amplifying feelings. Emotionally charged words like ecstasy, devastation, anguish, and bliss enhance emotional moments within a story. They invite readers to experience an emotional landscape alongside the characters or the writer's viewpoint, fostering a connection that is both intimate and powerful. In action. In romance writing, the effective use of emotionally charged words can create a sense of intimacy and depth. Rather than simply stating they fell in love, you can capture the feeling of connection more vividly with phrases like fluttering excitement or an electrifying touch, which conveys the complexity and thrill of romance. Tip. Use emotionally charged words sparingly but strategically, particularly at pivotal moments like a story's climax. This careful placement creates an impactful and resonant peak in the emotional tone, leaving readers feeling the intensity of the moment. 3. Power verbs. Energizing the narrative. Power verbs are crucial for bringing vigor and immediacy to your writing, drawing readers directly into the action. Words like plunge, dash, soar, ignite, and tremble convey not just movement, but also the intensity of purpose or emotion behind that movement. In action. In thrillers, the use of power verbs is essential for keeping readers on edge. Instead of the mundane, "she went into the room," consider a more dynamic choice like "she burst into the room" or "she slid into the shadows," which infuses the action with energy and urgency. Tip. Select power verbs that match the scene's pacing. For fast-paced scenes, choose verbs that emphasize speed and precision, such as leap or slice, to enhance the adrenaline and excitement of the moment. 4. Metaphoric words. Adding layers of meaning. Metaphors enrich your writing by comparing concepts symbolically, providing an extra layer of meaning. Words like ocean, storm, fire, and shadow represent more than just their literal definitions. They suggest emotions or themes without explicitly naming them, allowing for deeper interpretations. In action. In literary fiction, metaphors add significant depth to character experiences and thematic exploration. Instead of writing, "he felt uncertain," consider using a metaphor like, "his thoughts swirled like mist in the morning," which evokes uncertainty without stating it outright, inviting readers to experience the emotion more viscerally. Tip. Utilize recurring metaphoric images to build motifs throughout your narrative. For example, the motif of a storms could reflect the inner turmoil of a character, creating a cohesive and resonant theme that binds the story together. 5. Sensational adjectives. Painting vivid visuals. Sensational adjectives are impactful descriptors that evoke specific images and sensations in the reader's mind. Words like towering, gleaming, ancient, icy, and radiant create clear visuals, making scenes memorable and emotionally resonant. In action. In fantasy or historical fiction, sensational adjectives enhance world-building and enrich the narrative landscape. Instead of a vague, beautiful castle, describing it as an ancient, ivy-clad castle evokes a sense of history and mystery, immersing readers in the world you've created. Tip. Anchor your descriptions with just 1 or 2 strong adjectives for clarity and impact. For instance, using icy river or gleaming armor provides readers with a precise image without overwhelming them with excessive detail, maintaining focus on the scene's essence. 6. Persuasive words. Inspiring action and trust. Persuasive words are essential in nonfiction, particularly when aiming to inspire, motivate, or change minds. Words like discover, reveal, proven, imagine, and unlock guide readers to adopt a specific perspective or take action. In action. In self-help or motivational writing, Persuasive words foster a bond of trust and encouragement. Rather than saying, "You should set goals," you might say, "Unlock your potential by setting clear goals," which invites readers to envision the positive outcomes of their actions. Tip: pair persuasive words with positive outcomes to enhance their effectiveness. Phrases like, "Imagine the possibility," help readers visualize themselves achieving their goals, creating a motivational atmosphere that encourages action. 7. Clarity words, simplifying complex ideas. Clarity words like clear, understand, know, simplify, and easy help guide readers through complex topics, signaling that the writer intends to make the material straightforward and approachable. In action. In technical or educational writing, clarity words can demystify challenging concepts. Instead of stating, "It's complicated to use this tool," a clearer approach would be, "It's easy to get started with a few simple steps," making the content accessible and user-friendly. Tip: introduce clarity words when tackling complex topics, as they build reader trust and make the material more digestible. This approach ensures that your audience feels empowered rather than overwhelmed by the information presented. 8. Curiosity words, sparking reader interest. Curiosity words like secret, hidden, reveal, rare, and mystery trigger a desire for discovery within the reader. They work effectively in introductions, hooks, and marketing to entice readers to continue exploring the content. In action. In suspense genres, curiosity words drive intrigue and anticipation. For instance, "She uncovered a hidden clue that could change everything," invites readers to speculate on the outcome, compelling them to keep turning the pages to satisfy their curiosity. Tip: use curiosity words sparingly to avoid coming across as gimmicky. When well placed, curiosity words can transform key moments into more enticing and suspenseful experiences for the reader. 9. Positive words, fostering hope and optimism. Positive words spread possibility and encourage readers to engage with optimism and hope. Words like success, inspire, achieve, bright, and hope are particularly effective in self-help, motivational, and inspirational writing. In action. In career-focused content, positive words uplift and energize the reader. Rather than saying, "Overcome challenges," a more constructive phrase would be, "Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth," which frames adversity as a stepping stone rather than a barrier. Tip: close your writing with positive words, leaving readers with a sense of encouragement or hope that resonates beyond the final line. This lasting impression can significantly enhance the reader's overall experience. 10. Negative words, heightening tension and urgency. Negative words like risk, never, danger, impossible, and fail add gravity to warnings or emphasize consequences. They're particularly effective in building suspense and urgency within your writing. In action. In health or safety writing, the use of negative words can stress the importance of action. For example, "Risk of ignoring these symptoms" sounds more immediate and compelling than "Ignoring these symptoms could lead to issues," compelling readers to take notice and act. Tip: balance negative words with positive or actionable advice to avoid fostering a pessimistic tone while still maintaining reader attention. For instance, you might follow a warning with a proactive suggestion, reinforcing a sense of agency. 11. Urgency words, encouraging immediate action. Urgency words like now, today, urgent, limited, and last create a time-sensitive momentum, encouraging readers to act quickly and decisively. In action. In a call to action, urgency words create a compelling sense of immediacy. For example, "Don't wait, start your journey today," not only prompts action, but also instills a sense of importance and timeliness. Tip: pair urgency words with a clear action step, such as "sign up now" or "begin your transformation today," to provide readers with a specific path forward. This strategy helps convert interest into action. Conclusion: choosing the right words. As writers, our words possess immense power. They can evoke emotions, create vivid imagery, and inspire change. By carefully selecting words that resonate, we can captivate our readers, ensuring that our writing leaves a lasting impact. Whether you are crafting a story, developing persuasive arguments, or building a connection with your audience, the most powerful words are the tools at your disposal. Remember that every word counts. It has the potential to transform a simple message into an unforgettable experience. So, choose wisely, embrace the art of word selection, and let your writing soar with the resonance of the most powerful words at your fingertips. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you all in the next video.